How is your fund different from other mainstream investments and other alternatives out there?
The main difference with mainstream products, long-only funds, would be that we can go short as well, so protecting or hedging our downside and also providing gearing. I would say difference to both mainstream and also some alternative investments or hedge funds would probably be composition. On the long end, and this is at present, it can change. At the long end, we've got significant exposure to pref shares and then also to high growth listed property. And, that at the moment, a significant portion of that is foreign property stocks. And they're not necessarily the big household names, but niche companies that we know quite well. And then we also have exposure to general equities, non-real estate equities that offer both decent yields and growth, and then opportunistically some high yield corporate bond exposure as well. So I would say it's mainly in that kind of composition, which I don't think is common, or I haven't really seen elsewhere. On the short side, as I mentioned earlier, we'll be short government bonds, and then also at present some SA REITs, as we think they're quite expensive and the property fundamentals are quite weak. So really, it's not a fixed income fund. We offer growth as well, but it's not a pure equity or growth fund, as we offer above average yields. So it's kind of in between, it's like a hybrid of the two. And if you look at the correlations, we have low correlation so far relative to the market, low correlation to bonds, low correlation to property, or at least SA property. So you would think that it should provide good diversification benefits as a result. And then we're also still a small fund, small and nimble, so we can move into and out of assets and even fairly illiquid positions, which of course large funds can't do. And that just increases our potential investment universe. And then I also think, very importantly, as fund managers, we are invested in our own funds. And so there is proper alignment with our external investors.